Becky, it's amazing how quick this is when everyone actually helps, unlike it being like two of us.
Indeed.
I'm the one that does this the most, I feel like. You know, not to brag, I'm a pretty humble guy, I would say.
Fuck me, piss off.
Maybe the humblest. Oh.
Trix is fighting with a monster.
Yeah. Not accepting his wares.
There we go. Someone, I don't know who this was, has negligently dropped a hairdryer below the hatch, not actually on top of the sell item window, so I think you know who you are.
But sold. I can see
I
it
don't know who it
sold.
was, but it was a lot of money we could have lost there.
But it wasn't me,
Series
by the
is
way.
recording,
despite
so we
the
can
answer.
get...
Yes, awesome of that.
I know it wasn't me because I tried to pick up the hairdryer, but someone got to it before I could get it.
I don't think we need to blame anyone.
I see. First you pee in front of us, and now this.
I was refilling my Brita jug.